What did I want? We started moving, teleportation enthusiast.
The cat has already been teleported. Now go look for him.
Yeah, at this party, the chaos level is rising. Soon we won't find him at all.
Damn, couldn't you give better coordinates? Seriously, where the hell am I?
Hello, my name is Dmitry. Welcome to the DPLABS channel.
Today we are at a wonderful place, the Dmitry Foundry. We're going to show you the awesome thing we've acquired. Let's get started.
I've never seen anything like this on any other machines.
Good thing these ones didn't get torn up, unlike you over there.
I don't even know what this is, some kind of bracket or something.
And it's in English too.
See, this is exactly the cast surface here in the evening.
What does it say? Is it a starter or an electromagnetic nut? From the year 1880.
So ladies and gentlemen, we are at the Dmitry Foundry, or rather, what's left of it. Well, we're basically taking the last goodies from here.
This is a huge 5-axis milling machine, and there are not just one, but two of them.
We bought them for almost scrap metal prices, plus 30 to 40%.
It was Mikhail who convinced me to buy it, but it really needed to be saved. It would have been a shame otherwise.
Now he's going to tell you about this machine. So Mikhail, what exactly is this?
This particular machine originates from the Savalayev machine building plant, and its fundamental design is expertly based upon a robust horizontal machining center to which two highly specialized rotary tables have been meticulously integrated and added. One is a horizontal rotary table which rotates like this. The second is a vertical one which has been removed and it rotates in this plane. So you get two additional axes, making the machine 5 axis. The machine is heavy, 25.5 tons according to the specifications, specifically in the A4 variation. Everything is on connectors, assembled very well, all on military-grade shear connectors. Without connectors, there are literally just 2 wires, which apparently were laid without us. The tool magazine has 39 positions, plus 1 in the spindle. The CNC machine was a Mayak. I won't say the specific model, but I don't truly believe in fully restoring it to its operational condition. The spindle is a hydrostatic one, unloaded, meaning it has no counterweights. Very similar to the IR 500. Because of its large width, it has counter supports for the cross table. The whole machine is assembled on linear rolling supports, on rollers. All the guideways are box type, steel, and in perfect condition. The precision ball screws are almost entirely unworn and in truly excellent condition. This is because everything is consistently lubricated, and there are lubrication feeders strategically placed everywhere, ensuring that all the critical lubrication points are thoroughly covered. Wear is not visible like this on the box-type guideways. Here the tool is also for a 50 taper. Yes, it is indeed a 50 taper tool, and the machine itself is clearly in the very heavy-duty class of industrial equipment. But with that, you can use a 160 to 200 millimeter cutter to machine any steel. Here they made special tools and die molds. This is one, and this is the second one. So,
guys, here's our idea. We got them for cheap, but now we're taking them apart because, as he says, we'll change the CNC system here. I think we'll gradually restore it. It'll be almost like what Igor Negoda has. He restored a small milling machine. I decided to go big. We'll restore a large one. I think we'll make one good machine out of the two.
So, the price was very reasonable, but it would be a shame if they just scrapped it. And this way, we'll have a machine that's pretty accurate, I think. Maybe we'll have to replace the drives, maybe we won't.
Listen, these drives, they're large brushed motors.
power,
But however,
the power section is still working. I don't really believe in restoring the logic unit, but the power section is alive, so most likely they'll start up.
well, there you go. You'll have an awesome milling machine.
Maybe, I don't know, you could make something huge with it.
Well, the passport states that it has a travel of 800 kilometers per hour on all axles.
Yeah.
Here, and look, here's the second one just like it. He just removed the engine, as far as I understand? Yes.
It was lost.
Yeah. What year is it? 1989.
Years with tanks. Well, they would have been handed over to the scrapyard because the car is complicated. Rare nonsense. And these are the last two that they didn't sell. Well, they definitely ended up as scrap metal. The tool magazine is at position 39, plus 1 in the spindle. The tool is a 50 taper, but with an unusual holder, which serves as spindle protection. A sealing ring, Here it is, unusual. The standard tool and holder, here it is installed. The tool magazine is designed in a very unusual way. If you can see, it's made on a rack gear, which is composed of segments arranged in a circle, forming a complete ring. Basically, it's a steel rack gear that's bent into a circle. Very unconventional. And here is the tensioning system for this rack gear. We saw it here. There's a separate servo motor, see the label, that rotates.
In short, everything is done seriously here.
The tool changes. Right now the machine is off. The arm comes in, grabs it, moves in this direction, and turns toward the spindle. There's hydraulics resisting it. It turns toward the spindle. Oil started leaking. Yeah, that's the hydraulics there. Thank God, at least we won't have to remove this part for the transport dimensions. If we take off the column, we've got about 10 centimeters of clearance for transport dimensions.
And what's this auger here?
That's a chip conveyor auger. The auger is a chip conveyor, and here its station has come off, so this is where the chips are collected. Here too, everything is fully protected, and the protection there is really robust. You can see the guideways here. They look dirty because they were exposed. But you can see the wear where the rollers ran, though there's no visible wear on the guideways themselves. A full set of lubricators for every point where the carriage moves, with linear rolling supports along the surface.
So they're made directly from rollers.
And these skids each have a load capacity of 20 tons.
Here, guys, is a pretty serious and quite substantial oil station. Someone unfortunately stole the essential pressure gauge from it, but still, just look at this absolute beast of an oil pump. It's truly impressive. I hope we'll figure this out.
We won't figure this out.
Will we figure it out?
Yeah, it's certainly not the most incredibly complicated thing out there, you know?
Everything here is running on some crazy hydraulics, right? And air connects here too, right?
Yes, here.
Here's the control system here.
Mother of God, Father of man.
Good thing those guys didn't get their hands on it the way you did.
Although all of this is headed for the trash anyway.
Well, these in theory are still alive. These are
Drivers, right?
drivers, and they were made specifically for the Savyolovsky screw cutting plant for their own machines. I haven't seen these on any other machines.
Listen, it's probably easier to just stick Zhenyas in. Well,
Genius, yeah.
If you turn them on, they work. How are they controlled by?
Plus minus 10 volts?
what?
Plus or minus 10 volts.
Plus or minus 10 volts?
Yes.
Why not 0 to 20 milliamps?
No, they're controlled by 10 volts. That's just the standard.
Did Kluk not get involved because of that? Oh wow, look there, transvestites.
They should be like this, healthy. Yes.
Healthy with this, with ceramics.
And there, yes,
There, this one, flat ceramics.
Yes.
the most useful.
Beryllium.
Vector Tensei.
What is this?
Yes.
There's not even a lighthouse here.
Yes.
This is generally imported elite stuff.
I'm telling you, this is elite.
I don't know what it is.
Elite, we'll launch it, right?
Well, you can try to sue him, but we are pressing. Here?
The funniest thing is, this is like a picture, my friend. He made this god.
Andrei Dayukov.
He had this Voltru. He's from the first site. Sometimes he did creative work there. They hanged him later or something. I don't know why he was hanged in the VFS. They found him a long time ago. Well, I was really surprised. I was wondering where she came from. Well, listen, this is some kind of cool vector, really.
Even with a border?
Cool, I have to try it. I'll definitely launch it just for fun, at least this control panel. What will happen? These are scarves.
Vector. It is this vector. I don't know what else this is.
This is very different from where it is. It is very incomprehensible here. By the way, I saw some Urogs somewhere around here. It's just a fabrication. Well, something ancient and interesting.
I saw it somewhere here. Oh, look, it has RS-232.
See?
Yeah, seriously?
Yes, so it's actually pretty decent.
You could probably shove something into it.
In 2008 or 2009, of course.
And you somehow went there.
And this is something else, too.
Well, anyway, it's interesting, worth a look.
Well, that's a power transformer for the drives.
And what are they for?
Well, because they're 175 volts
Ah, I see.
drives.
Wow.
That's a serious thing. Good thing the scrap metal guys didn't get to it.
Didn't
Get to it, they didn't.
Didn't take anything.
amazing.
You could take the transformer,
I wonder how much power it draws actually, just like that.
35 to 40, easily at peak.
I see. Oh wow.
This one is number 20, and that one is 19? Yeah. In 89th year, the last surge of a great civilization.
Yeah.
Long gone.
Listen, what about the spindle motor?
Is it Soviet too?
Yeah.
Everything. The Soviet factory did everything in a closed cycle, except I think for the control system,
I see.
and for the aviation industry. The ones that came out of the factory usually, well, their machines were at aircraft factories. But here, well, surprisingly, no.
Oh, his mushroom-shaped object. This is Dmitry's. This one. The giveaway. Haha. Yeah, for what mushroom-shaped thing? See, this is a kind of floating plate on it. Haha. Drug it. Haha. There. Haha. It's hot, look. What's hot? What else is here? Wow. Here you go, Sekidin. Do you see? Do you see? Well, some kind of owl like Dacus. Do you see?
Do you see?
In short, this is...
Yeah. Cool grammar guide. Yes. They haven't seen it yet.
There are all sorts of things here, like these.
Canusa, yeah.
Yes. Look, for example, a reference one. Sikov, electrochemical coatings. Interesting, isn't it? Electrochemical coatings.
Well, that's about the equipment. Cold welding of metal.
How do you say it?
Here.
Cold welding of metal. Do you clearly see what we have right here?
Training on dismountable metal.
The most advanced press equipment.
Galvanica harmonica. On the right, what the heat treaters think.
The shelf. It all got stuck. Is this Peso Uringi, right? What? Uringi. Colibri people. Oh, that was something. Calibers. What? Calibers or something?
Probably, I don't know.
Here.
It is. It's cold.
Maybe it's for something?
Did they have something there? Where already?
Well, yeah, they did.
Chermichki. Svetvichki, they say, not Italian.
Palladium ones.
Oh, you're the specialist.
Yeah, for non-ferrous metals. You can do it with palladium, right?
Yeah, like that.
What? We saved the cats. Are there pools there?
A treasure, that's good.
But as for the bitches, well, that's good too.
First, your video.
Your video?
No more Kaljara was eaten. And
this.
well,
There. Ah, I see now. Wait, take everything out. And what is this going to be? Damn, look at that. This for them is like a recess. Is this maybe an oscillograph? Yeah, an oscillograph. Although, for what? Well. Why did you swear? What? It seems not only just at the bottom.
Yes, that is indeed Malovitrov, confirming his identity as the individual in question, as we have established and discussed.
The Malovitrov Hill.
Yeah, resistors. These are fundamental electronic components that oppose the flow of electric current. We're seeing more resistors here, which are crucial for controlling voltage and current within a circuit. Oh, it seems we have quite a few of these essential components in this particular setup.
What else is there, actually?
some kind of tubes. What exactly are they?
What is this?
Are there a lot of tubes?
I don't know. They're lying around here somewhere. Some kind of...
No.
A tester.
From resistors diodes, right? Burnt out.
Here's this interesting Ensha I recently found, an Ensha 10, which appears to be brand new and in excellent condition. And then looking inside these sturdy boxes, we discover a collection of various electrical relays. Wow, actual relays. Sometimes having a good supply of these electrical components can be an incredibly useful thing for many different projects. I wonder what specific kind of relays these are, perhaps for a particular voltage or application. Please open up.
And this particular kind of electrical relay, which is quite common.
Absolutely nothing.
Not bad at all. Totally useless, but quite cool.
Some kind of macerator.
And these are some kind of screens. Can't find anything underneath. Is this a starter or something? Describing in detail.
Well, there are all sorts of different kinds of them, you know, a wide variety.
70, thank you. So right now, at this moment, we genuinely don't know precisely how many. Well, you know, for starting things up, you could certainly take one if you wanted to. Look, you even know a star delta switch, reverse, that's definitely reverse. That could potentially be it. Yes, kind of. What exactly does it say?
Starter.
Electromagnetic, yeah, starter. Starter, not that great. Yeah, everything's all out of tune. Yeah, everything's all out of tune. Is that what bothers you?
Filter. Yeah, that's really cool, by the way. It's completely new, isn't it?
Why didn't you just, I mean, what happened?
Take it?
What, did we?
Fine. So this is a dryer, and there was a dryer, like a lubricator. Listen, in the bathhouse,
Did it perhaps fall into the previous century or something like that, you know? Yeah, oh, the cat, please save it. It's right there at the very entrance. It's quite nice here indeed.
oh, it's quite unpleasant. Some kind of intricate complexity of various devices. Probably. Ah, well, is this indeed the tool return point or not, I wonder? That's clearly a microscope. And this right here
is something. There will be some kind of scoop, a distinct indentation, or a concave shape that forms. It will gradually become thinner, progressively reducing in thickness. It will continue to get thinner, becoming more delicate and attenuated, much like that. And right here, at this specific point, the transformation will be evident.
The guys have found an interesting artifact. We'll definitely take it as a bonus. I honestly don't even know precisely what it is. It appears to be from some kind of rocket. And surprisingly, it's written in English, specifically Chanel 2 and Chanel again.
-2.
My brain. This is truly an overwhelming and complex situation that I am trying to process right now. Anyway, gentlemen, I hope you enjoyed it. I have some bad news, though. My wonderful cat Bender has gone missing. It happened on January 19th. He went somewhere and never came back. So, if anyone lives in the Domodelsky district, Momo S area, around the Barabin station, and has seen my ginger cat, please contact me. A reward is guaranteed. And as always, subscribe to the channel, leave a like, all the best. I'm off to look for the cat. Maybe I'll find him with some food. Guys, load it up.